What is up guys, Stand at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add music in Canva video. So first you need to head over to your Canva's website and then you need to head over to the home page. After coming to the home page here, you need to click on video. And after that, if you have any video in your PC storage, you can choose a format and then upload that particular video. But if you don't have it, you can choose a video template. And after clicking on it once here in the new tab, the video template will open. Now to add the audio on the left side here you will see multiple tools to edit, and after that from these tools you need to click on apps, scroll down a bit, and then you will see the audio section. Click on this audio, and if you want to generate your own voiceover you can click on record voiceover and then record your own voice. But if you want to generate an AI voice you can click on generate AI voice to generate an AI voice which is custom. And if you want to see all the free music, click on music free, and then here you will see all the free musics which are inbuilt in Canva. Choose any of the music, click on it once to add it to the timeline. After that, you can save it, share it, whatever you would like. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.